the text on your MacBook too small to read? You can quickly and easily make text bigger using the built-in Mac Screen Zoom feature. With a scroll wheel or trackpad gesture, you can magnify text or view image details. No extra software required. Here is how to use it. To enable screen zoom on your Mac, open System Settings. In the left sidebar, click Accessibility, then click Zoom. Turn on Use Scroll Gesture with Modifier keys to zoom. The default modifier key is Control, but you can switch to Option or Command if you prefer. Once this is enabled, you can close System Settings. You can now hold down the Control key, then scroll up with your mouse wheel to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. This works like a built-in Mac screen magnifier, making it easy to read small text in large tiny interface elements and inspect fine details in photos or graphics. If you are using a MacBook trackpad or Magic Trackpad, the gesture is just as simple. Hold down the Control key, then slide 2 fingers up on the trackpad to zoom in. Slide 2 fingers down to zoom out. This is one of the fastest ways to enlarge text on your MacBook without changing display settings. Here's a quick tip. To zoom in on a specific part of your screen, move your mouse cursor to that location first. Then use the same scroll or trackpad gesture to magnify exactly where you want to focus. If you are looking for a free Mac Firewall to block hidden outgoing connections and secure your Mac, watch this video. Click More below to access the link. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like. For more Mac tips, tutorials, and free Mac apps, click my profile picture and subscribe. Thanks for watching.